Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Sour Dreams soft candy. This popular consumable in Honkai, Star Rail is a fantastic way to quickly restore an ally's health. When used, it immediately heals a single ally by 24% of their maximum HP, plus an additional 300 HP. It's a highly affordable snack, enjoyed by many for its intensely sour flavor. Let's dive into the main ways you can acquire this useful item for your adventures. One primary method to obtain Sour Dreams soft candy is through crafting at the Omnisynthesizer. Before you can craft it, you'll need to acquire the recipe, Sour Dreams soft candy item. This recipe acts as an equation, which, when entered into the synthesizer, unlocks the ability to create the candy. After learning the recipe, simply gather the required crafting materials, and you can produce as many as you need to keep your team healthy. Beyond crafting, you can also purchase Sour Dreams soft candy directly from the popcorn food truck. This mobile vendor appears in different areas across the game world, offering a convenient way to stock up on consumables. Make sure to check the popcorn food truck's inventory whenever you encounter it, as it often carries this popular sour treat. It's a straightforward method if you prefer to spend your in-game credits rather than gathering crafting components. To summarize, you have two main ways to get your hands on Sour Dreams soft candy: crafting it at the Omnisynthesizer after obtaining its recipe, or purchasing it from the popcorn food truck. Both methods are effective for keeping your inventory stocked with this useful healing item. Remember, it restores 24% of an ally's maximum HP plus an additional 300, making it a valuable asset for sustaining your team in challenging encounters. Happy trailblazing!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.